Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Bliss Fitness, and we are back with yet another exciting vlog for all of you. This one is very special because it's our first wedding anniversary. So we're gonna share all our experiences with you guys. So it's the first time, so even we don't know what we're gonna do. But let's see, to start off with, today, while Sandy has gone to the studio to take the class, I have a surprise decoration for him. So I'm gonna quickly take you through it. Alright, so just stay tuned. You guys are the first one to see. Sandy hasn't seen it yet, so let's go. So here we go. So usually I take classes in the studio and Sandy takes online sessions, but today I sent him to the studio to take the classes and I'm here at home. I took the online session and side by side I also did the decoration for him. I hope he likes it. It's a surprise for him. Love. We've shown you this in our home tour, but now we also have some pictures, our pictures along with it. So it's kind of cute. And here you go guys. Just have a look. That's our first anniversary. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay guys, so here is a portrait we received from one of our clients. Okay, look at that. There's a light falling on it. So, but I will share this picture with you. A complete picture of this portrait. It's really beautiful. And one of our clients from Kharghar actually made this portrait and it was really heart touching. And we're all set, we're all set, we're all set. Look at that. So this is the cute frame that Sandy got me, and he also surprised me yesterday with this beautiful bouquet of roses. Just check it out. Oh, it's so cute, isn't it? So let me take you inside. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. There you go guys, see? That's done with roses, a little something. I hope he likes it. It's Sanha, you all know it by now. And that's nice and cute. I love you. And there you go. So now I'm just waiting for him to come back. Let's see, I just hope he likes it. And then we're gonna have a small celebration with the family. And yes, I'm gonna keep you tuned, don't worry. So guys, just now we had a special celebration in the studio. Our clients of evening batches are really sweet. They arranged a cake for us and a small surprise celebration. So I'd just gone there and we had cut the cake. I'm gonna include those videos in this soon, so have a look. Like, we are really blessed to have clients which are actually like family and to receive so much love. So thank you everyone who's been taking the efforts to wish us and who's been sending us amazing gifts and cakes, and you know, all your love means a lot to us. So thank you, it just makes our day a lot more special. Thank you guys.
Okay, and here comes a surprise by the beautiful people of our Bliss Fitness. They are like our second family. They never fail us to surprise anytime, whether it's our anniversary or whatever celebration we have. These people are just crazy. And this small celebration we had with all these lovely people, it was quite fun. कैसे लोग तुम्हारी खुशी में तुम्हें join करते हैं. We are so blessed, to have all these people in our life.
तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया, वो जो मुझ में समाया, वो जो.
So we're gonna have a small party, like a small celebration just with the family, because you know it's COVID times and you really cannot have more people over. But you guys are always there with us, supporting us, loving all our vlogs, and this is one of the best ways that we now know that we can actually connect with you and include you in our life more than ever. So stay tuned guys. We are traveling tomorrow, but today we're gonna have a small celebration, so I'm gonna keep you all with me, so stay tuned. Let's wait for Sandy. So guys, here is something really cute I got made for Sandy, and this is made by my very dear friend Nidhi, who has started her own venture which is called the Cake Rush. Let me just quickly show it to you. Look at that. So cute, Nidhi, you're just amazing. Yes, Sandy's gonna come and open these, so I'll show you what's inside. But I'm just loving this cute hearts. Along with those cute little hearts, I also got a pinata cake made for Sandy. Look at this heart-shaped hammer. I'm gonna break it. So I have never tried pinata cake before. This is the first time we're gonna try it, and I know I can trust Nidhi completely with this. You know, it's a very special day for us, and she did make sure that she makes it super special. Look at that. Isn't it a beauty? It's so cute. I don't even feel like breaking it now. It's so pretty. Wow, super excited to do this. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Have you tried pinata before? Let us know in comments if you have. Yay. Stay tuned, guys. Once Sandy's here, we're gonna do this. But for all your, if you are in Navi Mumbai and you know you want to order some amazing cakes, they have some really cool theme cakes. You know whom to go for, right? The Cake Rush by Nidhi. I'll leave her contact number in the description, so whenever you need to order, just go ahead and place this order. And finally, Sandy is here with my mom and dad, so let's get this party started.
ही मेरी मंजिल तेरे बिना गुजारा है, दिल है मुश्किल मुझे आज़माती है तेरी कमी, मेरी हर कमी को है तू लाज़मी, जुनून है मेरा पर मैं तेरे काबिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा है, दिल है मुश्किल। आँखें जो तेरी देखी।
अभी लव का लेना है।
हाँ।
Thank you for filling my life with so much love that it seems like I'm okay. अभी ये recording है।
अरे लव को प्यार से छोड़ो।
Waking up in your arms is one of the favorite blessings. Thank you for being my forever Valentine.
मोल दे नींदों में मेरी ख्वाब सा, जरा सा मीठा बोल दे। हाँ तू बन जा तू मेरी, बन जा तू मेरी इश्क़े दी चाशनी, हो मिठी मिठी चाशनी।
ये देखो डोला इसका।
ये क्या बड़ा संडे की फोटो? संडे की दाढ़ी देख सही नहीं उसने।
तो समय बन पाता।
अरे वाह। रोज़ा प्लेस का?
हाँ लिया।
तेरा चल लहराए हर रात यादों की बारात ले आए, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, साथ छोड़ूंगा ना तेरे पीछे आऊंगा, छीन लूंगा या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगा, तेरे नाल तकदीरा लिखवाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा।
So So guys, now we're finally having our anniversary trip. I guess you can just see and guess which location it is. Yes, we are in Goa. I think हम लोगों में से बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जिनकी ये फेवरेट लोकेशन है and no matter कितनी बार हम गोवा आ जाए, we just want to come back again and again.
Hi guys, how are you all? मिस किया मेरे को या नहीं? So guys, yesterday, oh my god, it was an amazing surprise from Neha. Yes guys, it was a damn good surprise from Neha. Last year मैंने दिया था उसे, इस साल उसने मुझे दिया. So it's what we say, क्या बोलते हैं उसको पता नहीं, जो भी बोलते हैं, but it was really fun. And then we spent some time with our family also, and I guess we slept around 12:30 or 1 last night, और आज सुबह we woke up around 5:30 for our 6 AM class, and right now we are in Goa. We just reached half an hour back. Battery is fully dead this time क्योंकि कुछ करने की एनर्जी नहीं बची है, तो अभी will go to sleep. जितना हमारा फैंसी लाइफ दिखता है उतना है नहीं. इट्स रियली टफ, यू नो, बीइंग अ ट्रेनर योर लाइफ इज़ रियली टफ फिजिकली एंड मेंटली ऑल्सो. सो या अभी नेहा की बैटरी ऑलमोस्ट डेड है. इसकी तो वैसे भी दिन का अब 12 बजते हैं एंड शी इज़ ऑलरेडी टायर्ड. आधा दिन होता है एंड उसकी बैटरी तभी ख़त्म हो जाती है. बट यस गाइज, सो इट्स अ गोवा टाइम. गोवा कोई ऐसी चीज़ तो है नहीं कि हम आपको दिखाएंगे हमारे ब्लॉग में, बट या लेट्स सी क्या क्या करते हैं हम लोग गोवा में गाइज. सो यस, टेक केयर एवरीवन. Okay, so guys, I have been to Goa so many times, but this time I'm gonna experience something new for the very first time. That's a casino. Neha have been to casino so many times, and just for fun, you know guys, हम लोग just for fun we do this thing. मतलब मेरा it's a first time experience. Will share with you definitely how it goes. Let's see how it is. Sahil, he has come from the Pune and he's gonna help us today to win. अगर आज हम नहीं जीते तो Sahil is the one who gonna sponsor. Sahil sponsor कर रहे हो ना आज का टिकट, और अगर नहीं जीते तो तुम दोगे ना पैसे वापस. डन, डील है, डील है. कोई राज है गहरा तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया.
Okay guys, so before we enter the casino, हम लोग ready हैं. यहाँ पे सब safety precautions use हो रहे हैं. So we are in our masks and you know all the safety precautions are being followed. So yes, it is safe. So guys, घूमो फिरो ऐश करो, but make sure you're following all the safety guidelines. Stay safe, stay happy, and these special masks are given by our dear friend Aditi. Thank you so much, and they're so cute. Look at these initials, specially printed for us.
Yes, thank you so much, Pandey.
Love it, totally love it. So guys, in Hayat, where we went for casino, there is dinner and entertainment program lined up. So I think more than the casino part, we really enjoyed this part. The food over is really good, and look at these amazing performers. They are so talented and so beautiful. I just loved watching them.
सफर मेरा है, तू ही मेरी मंजिल, तेरे बिना
Okay guys, finally we are out. I guess it's been a 7 to 8 hour. We were inside and time का पता ही नहीं चला, but it was so much fun. We played some games and luckily मजाक में we won also 20,000 rupees.
And we learned a lot of new games.
Yes. But guys, one more thing, you know, gambling is such an addiction, you know. Trust me guys, अगर आप लोगों में self control नहीं है, please avoid casino.
Do not try this.
Yes, because this is very, yeah, to be very honest, this is very risky thing. हम लोग तो just मजाक के लिए गए थे. We were playing very small game ऐसे 2-500 का मजाक में, but we won 20,000. वहाँ पे एक टाइम हमें भी वो फीलिंग आया, यू नो, कि वी नीड टू स्टार्ट पुटिंग अगेन थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा मनी, बट हम चुपचाप इज लाइक, यू नो, कंट्रोल. बट अगर आप में सेल्फ कंट्रोल है, देन डेफिनेटली गो हैव सम गुड टाइम. वी हैड अ गुड डिनर आल्सो, देयर वाज सम परफॉर्मेंस. वी डेफिनेटली गोना शो यू आल्सो दोस गुड परफॉर्मेंसेस आल्सो. बट ओवरऑल इट वाज गुड एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी बिकॉज इट वाज माय फर्स्ट टाइम.
And try it out, but do not go overboard. Stay in control and just enjoy.
Yes guys. Okay, see ya. Okay, good morning. So guys, the very next day for the breakfast, one of my brother from Goa only, मेरा भाई जान विक्रांत ठाकुर, he recommended me.
It was in Panaji, Sandy. Come on, we were staying in Panaji.
This place, it has amazing, you know, the food was like totally yum. Wow. Thank you Vikrant, thank you so much if you are watching this vlog. भाई मजा आ गया था ब्रेकफास्ट करके यहाँ पे.
बन जा तू मेरी, बन जा तू मेरी इश्के दी चाशनी, हो मिठी मिठी चाशनी.
Okay guys, so now we have come for the lunch to this cafe. क्या नाम है बताओ?
Fisherman's Wharf.
Yes, I saw.
We've heard it's got really good food. हम लोग एक बार यहाँ आ चुके हैं.
Last year we have visited this cafe. Now let's see अगर भैया हमें पहचानते हैं या नहीं. वैसे क्यों ही पहचानेंगे, एक साल में एक बार आके थोड़ी कोई पहचानता है. Let's go.
मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम, लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा.
अरे भैया क्या बात है. Oh man. Gigantic crab. So guys, in गोवा आप लोगों को रेंट पे टैक्सी भी मिल जाता है, स्कूटर भी मिल जाता है. स्कूटर जस्ट फॉर 400 फॉर अ डे एंड a taxi for a cab you can say, or you can say you can rent a car for 1200 for a day. बट हम फिट लोग पैदल एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. धूप देख रहे हो आप, कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं, कोई फ़र्क नहीं. धूप से भी कोई पिघल भी नहीं रहे हैं. बर्फ़ थोड़ी है जो पिघल जाएंगे धूप से. बिल्कुल पैदल चल रहे हैं बिल्कुल. भैया चलें फिर. गाइस मजाक कर रहा था, हमने खुद ने टैक्सी हायर की है. आप लोग भी कहीं पंप में आके धूप में पिघलना मत. गर्मी बहुत है. गोवा आओ इस मौसम में, तो मेक श्योर यू रेंट अ कार और रेंट अ स्कूटर. So guys, I'm not a big fan of big restaurant. I always love to explore very small cafes and small restaurant. It's not like क्या बोले, मतलब ठीक है, इनको भी मौका देना चाहिए कभी कभी. हाँ डेफिनेटली कोई बहुत ही फेमस है तो यू कैन गो एंड एक्सप्लोर, बट आई पर्सनली लव एक्सप्लोरिंग वेरी स्मॉल कैफेज. सो गाइज ये जो गोवा की आई डोंट नो मतलब लेन है जो भी है, इन्होंने पोर्टुगीज आर्किटेक्ट के बेस पे बनाई है. बट यू कैन सी लुक एट सच अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस. ओह अच्छा, मतलब कोई भी तुम आर्किटेक्ट ले लो, पोर्टुगीज़ का हो या इटली का हो, बट कच्चे हमने खिड़कियों पे सूखने डालने हैं. इंडियन ब्रो, इंडियन. जो मर्जी कर लो, जब तक रेलिंग पे हमारे कच्चे और टावल सूखने डले, साक इंडियन हो तुम लोग हैं. वाओ, लुक एट दिस, सच अ ब्यूटीफुल आर्किटेक्ट, ऑसम.
एंड गाइज जैसे कि पहले बोला ना, आई लव एक्सप्लोरिंग दिस स्मॉल कैफेज एंड बार. दिस इज जोसेफ भाई का बार है. वेलकम टू जोसेफ बार. ड्रिंक रिस्पॉन्सिबली. ओ ड्रिंक रिस्पॉन्सिबली. नहीं हम नहीं पियेंगे ब्रो, डोंट वरी. फॉलो द रूल्स डेफिनेटली. लेट्स सी कैसा है अंदर जोसेफ भाई का बार. इसको ले रहे हैं भाई लोग.
ला 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 ला
Okay, finally guys, it's time to explore Goa on scooty. So me and Neha right now we are heading towards the Ashwam beach on scooty, and trust me guys, beginning में it was super fun, you know, but it took us around 45 to 50 minutes, and driving scooty was a hell in Goa. मतलब बैक की हमारी ऐसी तैसी होगी मेरी and नेहा की. Oof guys, so if you are a scooty lover then well and good. If you are not then guys please avoid scooty.
सफर मेरा है, तू ही मेरी मंजिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा है दिल है मुश्किल, मुझे आजमाती है तेरी कमी.
काफ़ी लंबी राइड के बाद हम काफ़ी थक गए थे, सो वी टुक अ हॉल्ट एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल कैफ़े. इट वाज रियली अमेजिंग. लेट मी शो यू द you know the way they have made it from the inside, very green. Goa mein the best thing I love about all these cafes, you know, the way they made all the cafes are totally unique. The concept is totally different, and I personally love exploring, you know. I keep asking also, bhaiya ye kahan se idea aaya and all that stuff. But it was really good cafe and cute cafe. So we took a break here for maybe around 30-40 minutes. We had our food, and after that again निकल पड़े अपनी मंजिल पे, एश्वम बीच के लिए.
And finally guys, we reached Ashwam beach, and now it was time for some good beach day. So let's do it.
Okay guys, it's a beach day, and we always prefer beach on the last day of our vacation. It's a vacation because sunburn and all guys, so better है last day जितना burn होना है वो लोग next day घर ही जाना होता है. That's the reason.
We just got recovered from sunburn of Maldives, and we are back burning. But it's worth it, guys. It's always worth it.
इश्के दी चाशनी हो, मिठी मिठी चाशनी.
पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती.
Guys, look at this sandstone. Can you see? Look guys, look. Wow. So guys, this is Ashwam Beach, Goa. I don't know if you are able to hear me or not, but this beach is very clean, you know. You can see very less.
साथ छोड़ूंगा ना तेरे पीछे आऊंगा, छीन लूंगा या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगा, तेरे नाल तकदीरा लिखवाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा. तन्नू इतना मैं प्यार करां, एक पल विच साबार करां, तू नज़्म नज़्म सा मेरे होठ
So that was the end of the day and also the end of the trip. Wow, what an amazing trip that was.
Okay guys, finally this was the end of our Goa trip. Too tired, काफी थक चुके हैं, and finally we have landed Mumbai airport. It's time for corona test and then go back to home.
तेरा रास्ता वे नंगे पैरी तुरना वे तू है नाल मेरे ता मैं क्यों है डरना वे तेरा रास्ता वे